Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and today we're visiting with LaToya Drake. She's a program coordinator for the Nutrition Education Program for the University of Kentucky. Good morning, LaToya.
Good morning, Kristi.
Well, it is so great to have you on set today.
Always a pleasure.
And I know that you are going to make a smoothie for us today, but LaToya, why are smoothies such a great thing to incorporate in our diets?
You know, smoothies are one of my favorite breakfasts, Kristi, because it's a great way to get fruits and vegetables into your body first thing in the morning. Because most Americans don't get enough fruits and vegetables, right?
They don't.
So this is just a great way to have a nutrient-packed breakfast, snack, or whatever that's quick and simple and easy. And smoothies are great in that way. We can also focus on everything my plate with smoothies, right?
Yes, and I know that the NEP program has access to so many wonderful recipes.
Mm-hmm.
What is the website that you all are really promoting right now?
Yeah, our public-facing website is PlanetMove.com, and it's just a great resource, and it's free. And there's 300 plus recipes on this website, including a few for smoothies, and we're going to make one today.
All right, LaToya. So what is in the smoothie we're making today?
This is a berry cooler. I believe that's what it's called.
Okay.
We'll put it on the screen. And this just has strawberries and milk.
That is so easy.
Super easy. You can use vegetables. You could add some beets to this, and we have a strawberry beet smoothie on the website as well.
Yeah.
But this is great for kids, just to make it, at home for a snack. And I really love to make smoothies in this easy way. If you fill up your cup to about this full, right, guys? And then fill your liquid. And this one calls for skim milk, but we've got 1% here because that's what was at the store. The original recipe makes enough servings for 4 folks. But if you're making a smoothie at home just for yourself, this is a great way to do it. Just to put your cup about 3/4 of the way full and then add your liquids. And it usually makes the correct amount. So let's check it out.
I think this would be such a great way to encourage kids to make their own smoothie. I think sometimes when they make it themselves, they are more likely to try it.
Yeah. And when you make stuff together, too, it's just a lot of fun. And you can sneak vegetables in there.
Yeah.
And that's the thing with kids. That's the great thing about smoothies. Okay, let's make this up. All right, so we got this smoothie here, our berry cooler. Super easy, just strawberries and milk.
It's such a beautiful color, LaToya. That was so easy.
Look at the texture of that.
With smoothies, I love that you can really make them your own. If you want to add many things, you can. But if you want to make it simple.
Yeah, and when we're thinking about My Plate, this visual representation of how we can eat, you can get everything that's My Plate related into a smoothie. For example, proteins. You can use protein powder, which is a little expensive, but if you have commodity access and you get dry milk, that's something that you can throw into a smoothie for extra protein that you might not think about. You can throw peanut butter in there for protein or any other nut butters. And then we look at fruits. You can use a variety of fruits in smoothies, and that's just going to sweeten it up with those natural sugars. And you want to avoid any added sugars if you can when making smoothies. I really love to use fruit juices. Just a spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down. So we just use a little bit of juices to make that smoothie a little sweet. And then we think about putting vegetables in our smoothie. And oftentimes people don't think about vegetables in smoothies. But I love a good sweet potato, sweet peppers in smoothies. You can put beets in smoothies. It's just about getting the balance of flavors. And I like to match colors. So if you're going to do a sweet potato smoothie, you can put, sweet potatoes and orange peppers and then orange juice in there to make it a sweet, sweet something.
Yeah.
And then you've got your grains, and you can add oatmeal into smoothies and just a variety of grains. Into your smoothie. You can also add your dairy, and we know that that's going to make it smooth and creamy and taste well.
LaToya, you've given us so much wonderful inspiration today. I know that there is a smoothie day. When is that?
Smoothie Day is June the 21st, so you can celebrate by making your own smoothie, and you can get a variety of recipes at PlanetMove.com.
All right, LaToya, thank you so much for being with us today. Thank you for joining us today on the Farm and Home Show, and if you need any recipe inspiration, be sure to visit your local extension office. See you next time.